summer glow.
Yes.
Okay, I can't even feel my face.
I know.
I can't even
I'm
feel
glad.
it. So I'm all about getting glowing skin for the summer, and I like to do like facial treatments. With using good products, you still have to go, like, you still need to do facial treatments if you're doing them yourself or you schedule an appointment with an esthetician. So I am getting microneedling, and I got to put my numbing cream all over my face. All right. That numbing cream, you have to put it on 30 minutes, and my face is numb. I can't feel nothing. And my numbing cream is a prescription cream, so you know it's the truth. All right, so I'm trying to get some glowing skin, and for me to get that glow, I have to go to my favorite person. She's my esthetician. She does all my facials. Yeah, I won't do it, okay? So let me get the intro. This is Virginia Nelson, and she's at Chanel Skincare, okay? And I'm sorry, Virginia, you're the best. You are like the best. I mean, I can't. My face is safe, okay? It's very safe because one reason, you know how to work on dark complected skin. And so I'm gonna let her talk about what we're gonna do, because you know I might like say the wrong thing, okay? So let me let the pro do what she gonna do. So Virginia, what am I going to get today?
Well, she's actually numbing now. I don't know if you can see that on her face, but we're numbing her skin because we're going to do microneedling, and we're going to do something that does not hurt because we've used the numbing cream. And I'm going to explain to you a little later of why it's safe for darker skin types. But Gina's wanting to get her summer glow on, so we're going to start with this.
Summer glow, okay? I can't even feel my face.
I know.
I can't
I'm
feel
glad,
it. I can't
because I'm
feel
going
it.
to use an instrument, the skin pen, that has 12 tiny needles in it. And that's going to go over your skin and create little micro channels that open little spaces for new collagen and elastin to come in and fill and plump and lighten your skin.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah. Today I'm going to use hyaluronic acid as her serum. Hyaluronic acid is used by lots of dermatologists and estheticians because it's safe for penetration. And your body produces hyaluronic acid, so it recognizes the hyaluronic acid and it does very well with penetration. I'm also going to use Epion's priming oil because it kills bacteria and promotes healing. Little areas. All right, so I'm going to begin the procedure. She will feel a little prickly, and especially on the bone, she might feel it, but that's going to be the worst spot. So I start with the forehead first to get it over with. This is going to bring up some pinpoint bleeding. All right, you see how you're becoming pink there? So, you just felt a little prickly, didn't you? Come on, really mix this bone right here. Are you really? Okay. And it alarms your immune system that you've got something going on causing inflammation, so it's got to fix it. So it comes up and it starts to heal by producing new collagen, elastin proteins that actually come in and fill in these little punctures that we're creating right now. And that is what creates smoother, plumper skin. Also, the microneedling, it helps with fine line wrinkles. When you get crow's feet, lip lines, neckline. The great benefit of microneedling is that it will help with acne scars. So younger people love to get this done to fill in their acne scars. And we haven't had anything we can use besides harsh lasers before that will help diminish scarring. So she will see some glow after one treatment, but she really needs 3 to 6 treatments to make a big difference. I'm gonna go ahead and do areas that don't really sting. See, it doesn't hurt here. You can feel the difference. So I'll tell you that 3 to 6 treatments are needed. You're young, so we'll do a series of 3. And the good news about this is that this collagen builds upon itself each month, so it gets better and better, especially after you've done a series of 3. Then it's going to keep inducing collagen for you for about 3 or 4 months. Then you can just come back and maintain that collagen production. You want to keep it up. So you come back and do a maintenance every 3 to 4 months, and then that's going to help keep it going on here. Makita did very well. She is a little pink, as you can see, and she did have a little pinpoint bleeding around the lip area, which is fine. And so we've got her cooling down for a bit, and we'll go over her post-procedure products. She is going home with an Eviance recovery kit. These are all natural products. She's going to have a mild cleanser to use for the week. She's going to have a calming cream that helps with redness and healing. And she's going to have a mask she can put on at night that's going to cool her down and hydrate her and firm her. And then this is the priming oil that's fantastic that she can use for dryness. You can use this anytime. There's no wrong way really to do this. This right here is something you can sleep in, and it helps kill bacteria and it promotes healing. So I love this product, the priming oil by Eviance. She is to stay out of the sun for 3 days. When you do go out, wear sunscreen. You can put makeup on tomorrow, but I prefer you don't if possible. No heavy makeup. We just don't want bacteria to get in any of these channels. So you need to use these products for a week. She will be pink for 3 days. Then she might have a little sloughing from dryness, but these products will help that. Also, no exercise, no sweating. So you're off for a week. And you need to not put any alpha-hydroxy exfoliating products or anything with retinol for a week. After that, you can go back to your routine and just do your normal routine. And you will start to see the benefits quickly. It takes about a week or 2, and then it builds on itself. So it gets even better a month or so out, especially if you've done a series of 3 to 6. It will keep inducing new collagen for 4 or 5 months. So then you can come back and do a needling once every 3 months, 4 months to maintain your induction, so you keep this going. Keep the new cells going and plumping and fighting fine lines of wrinkles.
I have well, just something that I need to be working on. Like, what do you see?
Well, you get a little congestion here, and so this microneedling should help that. Anywhere you have darker spots, I will concentrate on next time.
Okay.
And now in your pore area right here, you have little enlarged pores, and we're going to work on closing some of that in.
Okay. Okay, don't be scared. I am red, and I did peel like an orange, but look at me now, baby. To follow about my glowing skin, subscribe to my YouTube channel.